Do you want to know how you can log into your xmind.ai account? If yes, then you've come to the right place, my guys. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can open xmind.ai and you can log into your account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser or your PC and then go to the search bar to search for xmind AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of xmind AI where you can brainstorm and create mapping assisted with AI technology. Now to sign into your account, go ahead and click sign in, which is on the top right hand side. It will take you to the official login portal of xmind AI. Write down your email address or your xmind ID in the first box and then write down your password in the second one. After you write down your email address or xmind ID and password, go ahead and click sign up or sign in. After you click sign in, you will be logged into your xmind.ai account successfully. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, go ahead and click forgot password and it will make it easy for you to recover your account. If you don't have an xmind.ai account yet, go ahead and click sign up now. I hope this video about how you can log into your xmind AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.